find the equation of a straight line using 2 points. So this is the first approach, that how do we figure out the equation of a straight line y equals to mx plus c when you have 2 points are given. So we know that the equation of a straight line is y equals to mx plus c. So if we have given 2 points, let's say the point A having coordinates x1 and y1, and we have a point B having coordinates x2 and y2. How do we get the value for m and the value of c? And once we have m and c, we will get a straight line. Okay, so m, the gradient, it has a formula. When we have 2 points, we use this formula for the gradient. Y2 minus y1 divides x2 minus x1. So this is a formula for the gradient. This is how we figure out the gradient if we have given the 2 points, right? So just substitute the points into your formula, the gradient formula, and you will get the m value. Once we have the m value, we just need the unknown c. So you can plug x and y any point, whether you're taking the point A or the point B, plug x and y value over here, you have m, just solve for c. We will get the equation of a straight line. Now let's do some examples. This will be more clear to you. Alright, so the example is find the equation of a straight line which passes through both points in each case. Okay, so now we need to figure out what is the equation of a straight line when the line passes through the point A and B. Okay, so now let me start with the part A. So in part A, we have a point A is 2, 3, and the point B is 4 and 11. How do we figure out the equation of a straight line with the help of these 2 points? So again, I told you the first thing is to figure out the gradient, the m value. Okay, so use the formula. So m is equals to y2 minus y1 divides x2 minus x1. So in this case, your first point is A, so its coordinates are x1 and y1. Second point is B, so its coordinates treat as x2 and y2. So your x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, y2 is 11, right? So let me plug everything. So y2 minus y1, so 11 minus 3 divides x2 minus x1, 4 minus 2. 11 take away 3 is 8, and from 4 take away 2 is 2, and 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8. So m value is 4. We got the m, which is equals to 4, right? Now the equation of a straight line is equation of straight line. Let me write down the equation of a straight line and plug the value of m, and let's solve for c. Okay, so the equation of a straight line is y is equals to mx plus c. Now we have done with m, which is equals to 4, so it is 4x plus c. Now only unknown left is c, the y-intercept, right? So how do we get the value of c? So you can plug the first point A or the second point B into your equation and get the value for c. This is up to you. I'm plugging the point A first. Okay, so 2 and 3 is the point A. So I'm plugging the point A having coordinates 2 and 3. X coordinate is 2 and the y coordinate is 3. This is my x value, this is my y value. The first coordinate is always x and second is your y. So now the y value is 3 is equals to 4. My x value is 2 times by 2 plus c. So 3 is equals to 4 times 2 is 8 plus c. From 3 take away 8, this is equals to c. So 3 minus 8 is minus 5 is the c value. Right. Now here we can say the equation of a straight line is y is equals to 4x minus 5. This is the equation of a straight line when you have 2 points A and B. So we have done with part A. Okay. You can see how do we get the equation of a straight line if we have given the 2 points. So first point coordinates we have to treat as x1, y1. Second point coordinate treat as x2 and y2. Find out the gradient by using the formula. So you need to remember this formula. This is the most important formula which you need to remember. So once you know this formula, you can easily figure out the equation of a straight line if you have given the 2 points, right? Now with the help of 2 points, use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You can plug everything into the formula and you will get the m value, the gradient, right? Now write down the equation of a straight line y equals to mx plus c, plug the m value. To solve for c, you can take point A or point B, both. With the help of both points, you will get the same answers, right? So I'm plugging the point A. So for point A, the first coordinate always act as x and the second coordinate act as a y. So plug the y value, the x value, simplify, you will get the c. And once you get the c, just plug m and c, you will get the equation of a straight line, right? Okay, now let me do part B. Okay, so in part B, we have A is 4, 5 and B is 8 and minus 7. Okay, 4 and 5 and B is 8 and minus 7. Okay, now again we need the m value by using the formula y2 minus y1 divides x2 minus x1. I told you these points are x1, y1, these are x2 and y2. So y2 minus y1, minus 7 minus 5. This is minus 7 minus 5 divides x2 minus x1. So 8 minus 4. Okay, so minus 7 minus 5 is minus 12 and 8 take away 4 is just 4 and 4 times 3 is 12 with a negative sign. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, so minus 3 is the gradient. Okay, now the equation of a straight line, we can write this down, that equation of straight line, equation of a straight line is y is equals to mx plus c. Now we have the m value which is minus 3, so y equals to minus 3x plus c. Again, to solve for c, we can plug the a point or b point. This is up to you. In first example, I put plug a. Now let's plug b. This time I'm plugging the point B, which is 8 and minus 7. So x value is 8 and the y coordinate is minus 7. Okay. Now the y is minus 7 is equals to negative 3. X value is 8 plus c, right? So it's negative 7 is equals to negative 3 times 8 is negative 24 plus c. So minus 7 and shift minus 24 on the other side plus 24 is equals to the c value. From 24, if you take away 7, it's 17. 17 is the value for c, right? So now we can say the equation of the straight line. In this case, if we are dealing the whole scenario, we can say y is equals to negative 3x plus 17. So this is the equation of a straight line in your part B. I hope this is clear now, right? Because with the help of 2 points, how do we figure out the equation of a straight line? Let me recall every step. So the main concept is to learn the formula of the gradient, right? Once you know the gradient formula, you can easily figure out the equation of a straight line by using the 2 points, right? So if you have 2 points, you have to name the first point coordinates as x1, y1 and the second point coordinates as x2 and y2. So the formula for the gradient m is y2 minus y1 divides x2 minus x1. Once you know the formula, plug everything into the formula, you will get the m value. Once you have the m value, the only unknown left is c. To get c value, you can take a point A or point B. This is up to you. Any point you can take and simplify, you will get the c value. And at the end, just plug m and the c value into your equation of a straight line y equals to mx plus c. You will get the equation of a straight line with the help of 2 points, right? So we have done part A and part B. So I'm assigning you part C and part D as a homework, as a practice. So you have to practice part C and D and send me your answers in the comment section, the final equation of a straight line. Or if you still need any assistance in these two parts, you can ask me in the comment section if you get stuck in any step. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Take care.